She carried the business on her head, like she carried the movie on her head. This is coming from someone who is already a billionaire. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ochezz Emmanuel Orifa. Please, I want you to come closer. Come closer. I want to share something very important with you today. Let me begin by saying that if you are not ready to carry your business on your head this year, it means you are going to be a total failure this year. And at the end of the year, when people are counting their blessings, you will just be there counting the ceilings. I know it is God who blesses us, but let us not forget that God blesses only the works of our hands. So guys, if you know you played all through last year, please stop playing. Year 2024 is not for play. Stop playing. Get up and work so that God will bless the works of your hands this year. Laziness is not permitted. No grief for laziness this year at all. There is no shame in business. Carry your business on your head and market your business. Have you guys noticed the way Funke Akindele market a movie, A Tribe Called Judah, on Instagram? She carried the business on her head, like she carried the movie on her head. This is coming from someone who is already a billionaire, who already has money. Yes, permit me to use the word billionaire because a movie, A Tribe Called Judah, just hit 1 billion naira in box office, and it has been recorded as the first ever highest grossing movie to hit 1 billion naira within the space of, I think it's not even up to 1 month yet that she released the movie, because she carried the movie on her head. If you see the way she's marketing it on Instagram, despite the fact that she's paying influencers, I see the likes of Kiki, Bimbo Ademoye, and other influencers, a lot of influencers she paid, both in Asaba, in Lagos, in the northern places, all over Nigeria. Her movie is #1. Like, you see people talking about it here and there. Why? She carried the business on her head, despite the fact that she's paying all these influencers to influence her business for her. That's her movie for her. She's still moving about. She goes to the cinemas. You see her carrying the board on her head, marketing it. You see her moving about, talking about it, wearing shirts, So I just hope this video inspires you today to carry your business on your head. This year is not a year to play, okay? This year, if you know that you have just one side hustle, like it is only one skill that you have, please double the skill. If you are a hairdresser, please look for another side hustle and add to your hairdressing job, because it is not every day people go to the salon to make hair. So you will have to get another side hustle that will be helping you. If you know you have 2 side hustles, please double it this year. If you have 4 side hustles, double it this year. And like as I was saying about Funke Akindele, I can't even count her side hustles. In fact, we cannot count her side hustles. She produces, she directs, she has TV series. Jennifer has been airing for the past how many years now. She's the producer of My Siblings and I. She also acts in other people's movies. They invite her to act in other people's movies, in other producers' movies, and she acts. I believe she also has other businesses. So I think I can say that Funke Akindele should be seen as a big-time role model, because she's winning, she's doing great. So guys, this year I am here to encourage you to carry your business on your head and stop playing. And that being said, guys, let me first of all start by carrying my business on my head. I want to share with you my services that I render. Apart from creating content here on YouTube is not where I earn a living, okay? I know I'm monetized, but that doesn't mean that I am already getting paid by YouTube. You have to get to a threshold first before you start earning from YouTube. Although I have gotten quite a number of customers through this YouTube channel, who comes to my DM on Instagram to ask for my services, but I'm not earning here. I'm not earning money from YouTube yet, though maybe as time goes on, yeah, they are going to be paying me, for the ads they show on my videos, right? So guys, that is why I'm here, to carry my business on my head. So I want to share with you other services I render apart from creating content on YouTube. Number one, importation training. If you are interested in one-on-one training, private training on importation, kindly send me a DM on Instagram. I am available for that. I train people on one-on-one training online on importation. Even though you want offline, I am available for that as well. Number two, sales of RMB. Yes, I sell RMB, whether you want to exchange naira to yuan or you want to exchange dollar to yuan. That is RMB. I am available for that, and I also have a group for that. So if you want to buy RMB at the best rate, kindly send me a DM on Instagram so that I can add you to the group, and you always get updates on the latest RMB rate. And number three, procurement services. Yes, a lot of people don't have international passport to verify their Alipay account so that they can be able to buy goods from 168 China by themselves. So therefore, they look for agents to help them to procure goods that they want to buy from China. I am also available for that. If you want to procure any kind of goods from China, please send me a DM on Instagram. Patronize your girl, okay? My charges are very, very, very affordable. Number four, I give access to people to use my personal account to order from China. I also have a group for that. So if you know that you don't have international passport to verify your Alipay account yet, and you still want to buy by yourself, like you want to be the one to be pressing, to be clicking all these things to buy goods from China 1688 on Pinduoduo by yourself, send me a DM on Instagram. I give people access to use my personal account to buy goods from China by themselves for just 10,000 naira only monthly. 10,000 naira only monthly. It means you can buy as many times as you want in a month for just 10,000 naira. I used to get this question a lot, that okay, is it every month? Is it a must to pay every month? Even though you don't want to use the account? No, it is not a must. If, for example, you pay 10,000 naira to use my account this month, January, you don't want to buy again by next month, you don't need to pay. If it is by November you want to buy goods again, you can pay and buy it. So it's not a must that you pay every month, okay? So number four, I also sell physical products. Yes, I sell handbags, I sell slippers, tripod stand, microphone, all this lapel microphone, ring lights, another thing. So I am going to be dropping the videos when my goods arrives from China, so that you guys can also patronize your girl, okay? So number five, is it number five or number six? Anyway, so I also render web design services. Yes, if you want to create a website for your business, I am available. I study computer science, and my husband is also into the line of web design and so many other digital marketing. You want to grow your Instagram account, maybe you want to run Facebook and Instagram ads, your Instagram account got flagged off, you want to get your account back. So many other services that myself and my husband will render. So if you are interested in any of these services I just mentioned, kindly send me a DM on Instagram and patronize me. So I just mentioned some of my side hustles. So guys, go and make a video. Even though you don't do a video to talk about your side hustles, go and post them on your status, post them on your Facebook, post them on your Instagram, talk about them every day. But I'll still advise you always talk about them using a video, recording a video. Film a video of yourself talking about what you do this year, because the internet is evolving. You don't know where somebody would contact you from and request for your service, okay? So don't be ashamed of carrying your business on your head this year. There's no shame in business, especially when it is legit, when you are doing it legitimately. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. I look forward to getting a DM or a call or an email from you to ask for my services. God bless you. We are going to do more great things together this year, and expect more importation content from me. Expect more importation training videos from your girl Ochezz TV. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If it's your first time here, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And drop comments of anything you think about my videos. If you want to request for a video, drop comment. You can also super chat me if you want to support this channel. The super chat is going to go a long way to help me get data to upload more videos for you, my lovelies. Thank you so much once again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.